Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I started new series on AWS Amazon Web Service, which is cloud computing platform. AWS is one of the cloud technology which is booming in IT industries. Nowadays, many industries and companies are moving towards cloud, guys, are running towards cloud. Mainly, they are focusing on AWS compared to GCP, Google Cloud, and Azure, Microsoft Cloud. Compared to those two clouds, companies are moving towards the AWS. Why? Because we have a variety range of features. We have wide range of features we have when compared to other two cloud technologies. Now I started a new series on Amazon Web Service, which is cloud platform. Here I am going to explain what is cloud introduction, and services and modules present in the AWS with live examples. I will explain you with hands-on experience. I will give you more hands-on experience in Amazon Web Service. Coming to Amazon AWS, the definition of AWS is nothing but AWS is a cloud computing platform that offers a range of features and services. AWS is a one cloud platform, guys. AWS is one cloud platform. AWS is one cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of features and services. It offers features and services. The services is nothing but in a Amazon Web Services, we have modules and service called one is IAM module, one is IAM module, and second one is EC2 module we have, and VPC module we have, and S3 module we have, and RDS module we have, RDS module, and CloudWatch we have, and CloudTrail we have, CloudTrail we have, and Route 53 we have, Route 53, and SNS we have, SQS we have. These are the modules, guys, which we have in Amazon Web Service. These modules are for freshers, those who are learning AWS. These modules are more enough for freshers to get a job in AWS. If you move to higher, if you move to advanced level means we have Amazon Redshift, we have Amazon DynamoDB, lot of services we have. These services is completely for freshers. These services is well enough to get a job in cloud technology called AWS, guys. Cloud technology called AWS. At first, I will explain you module wise. I will explain you. At first, I explain you what is IAM in theoretical part. Then after I move to, I will show you practical how IAM module is going to work in AWS and how to work with IAM module. Then after I will move to EC2 module. At first, I will explain you theoretical concept with the definitions and how it is going to work and which cases we have to use EC2. And then after I will show you practical way uh, in Amazon Web Console. I will show you in practical way. In this way, I will teach you each and every module step by step with a practical example, guys. Coming to coming to now, here coming to deployment in cloud. Why we need to use cloud? Why cloud, guys? Why AWS cloud? Why mostly people are moving towards cloud means there are different reasons to move cloud. Coming to first, on-demand EC2 instant, on-demand self-service, on-demand self-service, guys. The the meaning of on-demand self-service means whatever services you are using and how much time you are using based on the time, based on the time and based on the configurations and based on the usage. By considering all these factors, we have to pay the amount to the Amazon Web Service. We have to pay amount to the AWS. We have to pay amount to the AWS, guys. We have to pay amount to the AWS based on these factors. Suppose you don't confuse after looking these on-demand self-service and technical terms. In later, slowly you will get understand all these technical terms. At first, you understand the meaning of these terms. Later, in coming sessions, you will get more idea about all these technical terms. This is the first session, right? You will get some confusion on regarding technical terms. If you concentrate the meaning of the technical terms and then coming sessions, you will get understand what exactly that term is. Um, Coming to on-demand self-service, how much time we used that configurations and configurations, what configuration we use and how much time we are used that configuration based on the time configuration usage, we have to pay amount to the AWS. Suppose you are used one configurations we have in EC2 called T2 micro, we have T2 micro. Suppose you are used, you just you just listen the concept what I am explaining. You forgot what is T2 micro. In coming sessions, we will get understand exactly what is T2 micro. You just now concentrate on concept, guys. Here, for example, I taken T2 micro. Here I am using this configuration for 1 hour. 1 hour if I use it means I have to pay only for 1 hour. I have to pay only for 1 hour. Apart from 1 hour, if we use for 2 hours means I have to pay only for 2 hours. Only for 2 hours. More than 2 hours, I no need to pay any amount to the AWS. How much you are used based on the usage only you have to pay money. That is comes under on-demand EC2, on-demand self-service. That is one advantage of cloud on-demand self-service and elasticity. And one more point is elasticity, guys. Coming to elasticity, elasticity is nothing but we can easily we can easily scale up and scale down. Suppose you are using one server called with 1 GB server, with 1 GB server and 1 GB server and 1 MB per 1 GB memory and 1 GB RAM. 1 GB memory and 1 GB RAM you are using. 1 GB memory and one CPU server you are using. This is the server configuration. 1 GB memory and one CPU server you are using. Suppose if you want to increase based on the customers, suppose if you want to increase that 1 GB to 2 GB and one CPU to two CPU, then you can easily scale up. You can easily scale up and scale down. Again, you are not interested to with 2 GB, and again you have to move with 1 GB means you can easily scale up and scale down. That is nothing but elasticity, guys. Based on this reason also, we are moving to cloud towards cloud. We can easily scale up and scale down the configurations what we require. And coming to one more example, broad network. Broad network, guys. The meaning of broad network means wherever you go in the country, not only in our country, in other countries also, we have AWS, AWS data centers, AWS data centers. We can access at any point, at any place. Suppose your company is in Bangalore. Suppose your company is in Bangalore. You are working in your hometown, a small village called your hometown. You can easily access the AWS resources and services, and within a few seconds and within a minutes, you can turn off and on work, and you can easily work with AWS services, guys. This is nothing but broad network. Wherever you go, you can easily access the services of AWS. Why? Because AWS have wide range of network and more data centers we have in AWS. In Hyderabad also, in Hyderabad and Mumbai, we have data centers. We can easily access the service within a seconds without any network issues. This is about nothing but broad network. And coming to one more point, resource pooling. Resource pooling, guys. Resource pooling is nothing but sharing, guys. Resource pooling is nothing but resource pooling is nothing but sharing, guys. Suppose you are using one server with 1 GB, 2 CPU and 2 GB, 2 CPU and 2 GB. If you want to share, you are only using one CPU and 1 CPU and 1 GB, but you have remaining 1 CPU and 1 GB. If you want to share this configuration to others, you can easily share. For example, you take one small auto, guys. You all know auto. Uh, from from your hometown to your school, you are traveling in auto. While traveling in auto, if it is public auto means, uh, with you, other persons also come with you. Other persons also travel in the other persons also travel in same auto. Other persons also travel in same auto. Here what is happening? Here you are sharing the auto with others also. You are sharing the place in auto to others also. This is nothing but resource pooling. While sharing the auto with others, you will get less charge. You have to pay less charge. Why? Because it is not private, guys. It is not private, it is public. It is public means you will get less charge. Suppose if it is private means, suppose you booked one auto only for the purpose of you have to pay more amount. We have to pay more amount, right? We have to pay more amount. When it is come to sharing means, resource pooling means, you have to pay, compared to private, you have to pay some less charge. That is nothing but resource pooling. We can share our resources to others also. We can share our resources to others, and we can reduce our cost of usage also. That is one advantage. And one more advantage is measured services. Measured services. Measured services is nothing but, mm, at first I explain you on-demand self-service. On-demand self-service. In the case of on-demand self-service, we are paying the amount to AWS based on the time and usage. This measured service is nothing but it will calculate the time and usage of our configurations and servers in AWS within even single second also it will calculate. Even single seconds and milliseconds also it will calculate the time and usage of the configurations of our servers, and the resources and services. Servers, resources, services. Based on the time and usage, we have to pay amount to the AWS. These are the some of the advantages related to AWS, guys. That is the reason why we are using Amazon Web Service, nothing but AWS, one of the cloud computing platform. This is why we are using AWS, guys. This is why we are using AWS. and it is user friendly, guys. AWS is user friendly. User friendly is nothing but it is uh, GU, GUI mode, guys. It is GUI, graphical user interface. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface, guys. Graphical user interface. It is simply like it will looks like simply our computer, guys. The platform of AWS graphical user interface. The platform of AWS, I mean Amazon console, AWS console, it will simply looks like our computer system. Suppose if you want to see a movie which is present in video, at first we go to File Explorer, then after we go to downloads, then after we move to videos, then we will play our movie. We will play our movie, right? This is the process what we do to watch the movie in a computer. In the same process, if you want to create a server or if you want to delete a server, if you want to use a services and all these, we have to follow some steps, guys. It is nothing but GUI, graphical user interface. It will show in same like computer usage only. It will be. It is nothing but user friendly, guys. That is the why we call it as user friendly. This is about a small some of the advantages related to AWS, guys. I hope you know what is AWS and what services we have in AWS. Mostly we concentrated these are the service we have, and we have why AWS. These are the some of the advantages we have in AWS. And coming to deployment models. Deployment. Deployment models, guys. Coming to deployment models. In AWS, we have three deployment models, guys. Three deployment models. One is one is public cloud, one is public cloud, one is private cloud, one is private cloud, one more is hybrid cloud, guys. One more is hybrid cloud. Here, here public cloud. Guys, public cloud means in the name itself, it is saying that it is public. Public cloud is nothing but public cloud. In the name itself, it is saying that it is public. Public is nothing but group of people whoever want to use. Suppose we have internet, we have Google. Google is public. Anyone can use and anyone can search by using Google and anyone can know answers by using Google. Why? Because it is public. There is no restrictions. Yeah, you have to use it. For this region only it will work and for this users only it will work. There is no restrictions to use Google, right? In the same way, in AWS also we have three deployment models. It means like public cloud we have. Public cloud is nothing but it is belongs to the group of it is belongs to the public. It is belongs to the public, guys. I mean it is belongs to uh, everyone, everyone who is living, all people, it will belongs to the people. The in the case of public call, the maintenance and the recovery. Suppose if it is got any, suppose it got any damage, it it will repair by public itself. Public in the sense the maintenance who is taking care of public cloud, they will take care of about public cloud. For example, if you take metro, guys, this is metro is public, right? Anyone can use this metro. Anyone can travel in metro. Anyone can use metro. This is this metro is belongs to public, right? Suppose if any if any damage or maintenance and or cleaning, maintenance, damage recovery and cleaning, all these taken care by maintenance of metro. The metro is maintained by government, right? Government, some metros we have government metros and private metros we have. This all these maintenance, recovery, cleaning, and all these taken care by service providers. Service providers. Here, in the case of metro, the service providers is nothing but government, right? Service providers is nothing but government. In the same way, coming to public cloud, those who are serving this public cloud, those are the responsible for maintaining, cleaning, and data recovery, all these taken care by service providers. Those who are providing that service, they will take care of all these things. For example, if you take Google, Google is taken care by Google company, right? They will take care. We are using, but we no need to take care of anything about Google. Google service providers will take care about Google. This is nothing but a public cloud, guys. This is nothing but a public cloud. And coming to one more cloud we have, that is nothing but private cloud. Private cloud, guys. Private cloud, in the name itself, you have to know that it is a private. It is private. Private. This private cloud is belongs to uh, certain peoples. It is belong to certain peoples only. It will not it will not belongs to the group of the people. I mean, it will not belongs to the all people. It will belongs to only certain people only. It will belongs to only certain people only. Suppose mm, suppose I have one company. I have one company. I am maintaining the cloud in my company, which is belongs to only my one company, only my company. I am only my company. It is belongs to only one company, guys. No other companies and no other public people can be use this private cloud. It is belongs to certain company and certain organization and certain people only. There is a restrictions in this. No, all people are not allowed to use this private cloud. Only there that organization and that company only have to use this private cloud. Only that persons only have to use this private cloud. Suppose if you need any maintenance and data recovery, all these taken care by that company organization only. Who is using that private cloud? They taken care by all that company organization only. Here, we no public people can use this private cloud. It will be used by only that company organization only. Only one company it will use that company organization. This is about private cloud, guys. And hybrid cloud, guys. Hybrid cloud it is nothing but it is a combination of public and private. It is the combination of public and private, guys. It is the combination of public and private. Suppose you have some resources on public cloud, you have some resources on resources. Resources is nothing but mm, resources is nothing but for your organization project, whatever resources you are using. Suppose if you want to store data and you have to use S3 service. Suppose if you are running servers, you have to use EC2 service. These are the resources. Some resources are using from your public cloud and some resources are you using in private mode. In private mode, it is belongs to only for you. In public mode, it is belongs to all. From that all, you are the one of the part. You are using some in public, some in private. This is nothing but hybrid cloud, guys. This is nothing but hybrid. Some resources in public and some resources in private, and you are connecting from public to private. You can also connect from public to private by using AWS Direct Connect. By using AWS Direct Connect. By using AWS Direct Connect. AWS Direct Connect is nothing but you can fetch the cables from public cloud to your organization private cloud. Then you can communicate from public to private, private to public. And also you can use VPN connection also. VPN connection also you can use. Site to site VPN. Site to site VPN also you can use to connect from public to private. This is the about hybrid cloud, guys. Some resources on public and some resources on private. You are connecting with those two resources from those two clouds. This is about hybrid cloud, guys. This is about hybrid cloud. There is one more cloud, guys, called there is one more cloud called community cloud, guys. There is one more cloud called community cloud. Community cloud is nothing but community cloud is nothing but group of organization, group of organizations, group of organizations and group of people maintain this community cloud. For example, uh, if we take one apartment, if we take one apartment, in this apartment only in this apartment some people will stay in this apartment. For example, in apartment we have four houses. For example, if we take in apartment, we have four houses, and each house contain four families. Four families are staying in that apartment. In that apartment, we have one swimming pool. We have one swimming pool, and we have one gym, and we have one gym and one swimming pool. Those who are belongs to this apartment are can use this swimming pool and gym. They are able to use the swimming pool and gym, those who are belongs to that apartment only. Apart from this apartment, there is one more apartment called some other place, and the the people who are belongs to other houses and other apartments, if they want to join in this swimming pool and if they want to join in this gym, it is not possible. It is it is not possible. Why? Because this swimming pool and gym is belongs to only this apartment. I mean only these four houses, these four families. It will belongs to only these four houses and four family. It is not belongs to any other. That is nothing but community cloud. Group of organizations and group of people combine together and they build one cloud called community cloud. They combine together. Suppose we have three organizations, three organizations, uh, they will they mingle three organizations they mingle with each other and they decided to maintain a community code. Only these three organizations only can use that cloud resources. Apart from these three organizations, no other organization are have permission to use this cloud. This is nothing but community cloud, guys. This is all about public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. These are the advantages of some of advantages related to AWS cloud. And this is services these are the services we have in AWS cloud. These are mainly for freshers. If you want to go advanced level, we have to learn some more resources. This is all about definition related to AWS, guys. That's all for today's session. Small introduction related to AWS. In tomorrow's session, I will explain some more introduction to AWS. Then we will start services by one module we will start. Thank you guys. If you are okay with my video, please like my video and share to your friends those who are looking to learn AWS, and please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you guys. See you later.